Good morning from Budapest and our hotel. It's now 8:15. We leave at 10 for the airport, but I don't know how well this phone's picking up, but it's sunny and you can't get much better views from the room we've got. So I suppose if you wake up on the last morning, you'd want it to be like that. We've got to get some showers, get packed. And we're off. Leaving the hotel, getting our taxi to the airport with Manuel, and trust us to leave on a sunny day. Weather is absolutely gorgeous as well. The woman just said if we come back she'll give us a discount on a room there. You happy with that one? Is that a taxi? No. Just hop in? That's one thing it is in Budapest. You've either got a decent car or something from the stone something from the Stone Age. There you go, we're packed miles away. Yeah. Do you know why all the roads get shut down? At all? Do you know why all the roads get shut down? Where the police cut the roads off?
Yes.
What? Who's there? Why do they shut the roads off? Like who's?
I don't know. I don't understand.
They cut the roads. They cut the chain bridge off yesterday, and like the police.
Stop traffic.
They stopped traffic. Yeah.
Yes, this is better here. Look, the bridge is.
Yeah, they blocked all the roundabout off.
This is politic.
Oh,
politic. Tomorrow is Sunday is Brussels. Wow. Blockade, demonstration, blah blah blah. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Ah, fair enough.
Very good. Here in same formation.
Not important.
The first, family. Second, family. Third, family. Other is I have at home big boss. Big bosses.
Bosses.
Big bosses.
Big bosses.
My wife.
Your wife.
Young man, how old are you? The woman is the boss. No question.
We wear the trousers, they control us.
No question. I'm married 40 years.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
40 years, wow.
No question. It's good.
That's it. Good marriage, no questions asked. Secret there. So we arrived at Budapest airport, and the best thing is, obviously the taxi wouldn't accept card because we're English, and apparently he's had English customs already today that the cards were refused, and apparently it's because of Brexit and the banks. So we kindly went to the cash machine to get him some foreigns,
And he kindly gave us some
and he gave us our change
dollars.
in dollars, because what are we going to do with $2? But the real winners are us. Joke's on him, because $2 is worth more than 500 puff. So
Made a profit of 20p.
you asked the question, who's the real winners, huh? But now it's time to go and check in and get some breakfast. So we'll be home soon. The bonus of not having to check in. And that is the bonus for not having to check in and just having a backpack. No queues. On the way here, I was joking with Katie, saying that she was going to get stopped.
And you got stopped?
But ironically, I didn't realise you had to have everything out your bag, and I got stopped. Not only did they check everything, they even checked all my bag and everything like that. Jokes on me. But I think they only pick out the good-looking people. That's why not many people getting stopped. I always get stopped. The curse of good looks there. Okay. Okay. Somebody get checked. So we've passed security with less problems this time. Katie's bag got searched.
I didn't. It got swabbed for cocaine. And it just so happens that Johnny's hoodie was there as well. So, oh, sweet.
Swabbed for cocaine. Hey, that's Sue. I told her. She can't help it. She's an addict.
Jelly beans.
But I only had to spread eagle and go in the metal machine. I forgot my watch. Put on.
Because I wasn't there to tell him to take it off.
Quite aggressive though, aren't they? They're like English, Espanol. As soon as you tell them one, you poof.
Not Spanish, you don't?
No, that's what they asked me, but English Espanol. But we're through security and now we've just got to wait for our flight to come home. Awesome. Time to board the flight back to sunny England. Unless, of course, there's delays again. Otherwise, we're going to be late for work.
Oh, wait, we've got work.
I know. See you soon. You know you've had a good nap on the flight.
We really appreciate your help.
Is it a good nap now?
Nice and tidy. So please check your seatbelt.
And that concludes our 5 nights, 6 days backpacking Budapest trip. This is my first experience in backpacking and filming the journey, and I think I speak for both me and Katie in saying it was probably one of the best experiences we've had, especially being able to do it together. So I would definitely recommend this trip to anyone. My intention when filming this journey was never intended to be a guide, but only to be a video memory we can look back on. But if anyone's thinking of visiting Budapest after seeing this series, then please let me know, drop me a message, I may be able to help with some do's and don'ts or general advice. I know it can be scary going into something like this, and hearing from someone that has done it may just help with reassuring you. None of this would have been possible or worth it if it weren't for my travel partner Katie. You made this trip what it was, and I want to thank you for that. And no, for once, I'm not being sarcastic with my comments. Until next time, goodbye.